afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the 7th edition of SS Stock Picks, powered by the JSE. My name is Vuyo Lee. I'm the Director of Marketing and Corporate Affairs at the JSE, and I will be your host for today. It's really fantastic to have you join our program. For those who haven't been here before, this is where we pick the brains of our panel of experts on the stocks of choice so that you have a sense of what the JSE has to offer and what is good to invest in. So for now, let's hear from our panel. Anthony, we will start with you.
I think that HCI, not just in a recovery from its underlying hotel, gaming, tourism and leisure assets will do well, but the oil situation adds a bit of sparkle into that stock. And I'm very happy to keep on recommending it for that reason. Now, my last minute, I'm going to talk about Invicta, an old industrial company that did very poorly for a number of years, but under new management has repaid all its debts, sorted out its tax issue. And I think in the coming weeks, we'll issue a very pleasing trading update until March. I believe a very, very good trading update will come. And my target price of 35 Rand was attained. It's now slipped back to 34.60 or 32.60. And my ultimate target price is 45 Rand, which is why I'm recommending Invicta as my second stock for the next 6 months.
My large cap is Impala Platinum. Again, Impala is a stock which today has a number of things going for it. And I think the biggest positive is the cash generation in the business. And then my small cap pick for this time is Nampak. So we think this business has earnings power of about 80 cents a share. Today it trades at about 2.80 Rand or so.
What have I picked today? So I was a little bit cheeky. So we were asked to pick a large cap, but the whole sector, believe it or not, is only 1.1% of the Capsix. And if you think of where that would rank, it would be the 30th largest stock. So not even a large cap. And then lastly, Coronation. So one of the most important things is that most businesses need to retain cash to grow. Asset managers don't. So they pay out virtually the entire earnings and dividends. And so they're actually currently on a massive dividend yield of, well north of 10%.
My first is Shoprite. Particularly, it's going to be tough times, potentially rising interest rates, inflation, and the like. You're going to have some customers shopping down from the higher brands, and they'll catch in at the Shoprites. And then as good times return one day, you find the folks shopping up, and they sort of straddle across all of those different LSMs. And then my more speculative and small cap play is Sun International. And if you look at the pricing on Sun International, on the day when our borders were closed because of Omicron, it was trading at 21 Rand. Since then, it rallied quite significantly, but we're almost back at that 21 Rand level from when the lockdown, the December 2021 lockdown happened. And I think there's opportunity there.
And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us. Please do come back again. I encourage your friends to keep watching the show. We've had some very good feedback in the past, and I'd like to say thank you very much to everybody and have a good afternoon further.